So in this video, let's talk about this technique. We're gonna talk about this triplet Rasgueado technique, or strumming technique for some of you that might know it as. Very, very useful to have, especially if you're going to be playing, flamenco pieces or something like that, or you just want to get some endurance exercises going into your normal, your normal routine, your normal technique routine. So the way that I like to do this technique is I like to do upstroke with the thumb on the downbeats, and then downstroke with your pinky and downstroke with your index. I like to do that because if your thumb is already ready to do that upstroke, so you have a continuous motion of this triplet feel. I've noticed some people use their A finger or their ring finger when doing this technique. I've noticed that if I use my pinky, then the triplets sound a bit more even and steady in my case. So if you use your A finger in this technique, that's perfectly fine. But try the pinky. I think that it'll give the pinky a try and see how it works out for you. It might be a little weird because that is typically the weakest finger for some people, but once you get used to it, I've noticed that the triplet feel is really steady and more defined in my opinion. So when you're doing this technique, try to do it extremely slow, one finger at a time, up with P, down with the pinky, down with the index finger, and then do a repeat. Start off extremely slow and work up the tempo very gradually. This is also a great endurance exercise to get your muscles growing in your fingers and everything. So I kind of do this as a kind of warm up, just to warm up my fingers as well. Well, that's it for me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace. It hurts. Now, when doing this, start off extremely slow.